Today we're doing another video, so look for possibly a short fish. So let's see. Nothing but that walk. That walk. Alright, start walking. 1 hour. Right, we're gonna wait until it's been an hour. Officially,
As he said something.
It's officially been an hour. Just checking. What is that?
Oh my god. Guys,
What is this?
we need to wash it. I'll be right back. Okay?
Look at all this. No, yeah, it's not even been a minute in the video. Paused it. Rex, where's my fine? Where's my fine of the day?
Oh, it's like double.
Walk off there. That's what you call a heartbreaker.
Guys, we just found that.
Let's get inside.
Yeah.
Rex,
Hey, it was your stuff. Pause the video.
wait, do this. Wait, me. Oh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we found this right here. We're gonna actually wash it off tomorrow. Actually, we can just do that right now.
Well, we just did.
We can wash it off more because there's still dirt on it.
True.
We ain't putting this in the museum.
Oh, no.
I actually have a necklace place for it I can put on.
Yeah.
When I find that,
We will be a shirt. And we have
you would
another
see
one, guys.
You would see me. Yeah, Rex actually found one and made one. But
If
that
I can
was
find it.
that was like 10 years ago.
I know. If I can find it again.
Wait, you got 10.
What?
That was like 4 years ago. That was like
Yes.
4 years ago.
Yeah. It was like 4 years ago.
We didn't
guys.
even make a video of it
I
because
know.
we have no clue what YouTube was.
True.
Actually, we did. Making videos.
It was on Christmas.
6 years ago.
Guys, we just got the shark.
Yes, we don't know doing the pants. I love snowflakes, okay?
Well, they can't even see your pajama pants.
Yay.
Oh, wait. I can't see you. I flash when you record. It's not that good.
What?
Dude. Oh. Here it comes. So that's Tony's right. You guys can see Tony's right there, washing it down more, and yeah. So, I'm used to this, but not that used to it.
We would just find some metal.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's so hard to see. But they're in there washing. My brothers are in there, but Tony's not there. But yeah, we did our pool, guys. What?
So there it is. That's the best I can clean it. I'm probably going to clean it tomorrow. Give you guys an update about that. I don't think that's supposed to Rex.
I'm showing some of the pool.
Rex, we don't need to show them the pool.
They probably didn't even see it.
The pool's not about this. So this is the front side. It looks like, I don't really know. I can tell this is the front side. This is the front.
But they can't see the pool.
This is perfect. Put it like that. So pretty good. I know for a fact it wasn't like this. It wouldn't be like this. It would be probably flipped around like that. And they wouldn't have this part. It would just be a single side. But I don't really know. I don't know much about sharks. I know much about like reptiles and all that.
animal dude.
Well, I don't pay attention to those sharks. I pay attention to like rattlesnakes. So I can see there's some stuff on it. This is probably
He wants to down that rattlesnake.
No, not. This is. I can tell this is old. Been here for about before me, Lex.
True.
Probably my dad was born.
Well, we probably got washed up here.
Yeah, because this was a valley.
True.
This was a valley. There is a volcano.
You can barely see our pool. Look. You can barely see our pool.
Fine. So, well, actually, we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut. Rex.
Blood time. What?
The oven, yes.
You know.
Cool.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
Here, this is shark juice. I know you probably like that. Okay, that's boring. Actually, I didn't pay attention about this. I know for a fact it's somewhere different than that. This is a long time ago. So,
So we grill them.
not very much we can technically do, but we are inside our house. We don't want to show you any of that. We live in
Oh,
our
we were there and got me.
Okay, you can only have 2 at a time.
I did.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We need to go watch
Flash Motorhome.
So this is new breaking. I know for a fact it,
2 ants got on me.
this is probably old or new. I don't really know. We're not going back to the same part. Actually, we're going to a different place. Don't know much about sharks. It looks like, I can tell, looks like a lemon shark tooth, but I don't really know about sharks. Look at the teeth, because he looks like a shark's teeth. You're gonna get nightmares about, probably a megalodon, but my nightmares about the megalodon when I was like 2. I mean, not the megalodon, great white. Oh my god, I need to wash my toes. Feet. And small. Definitely taking a shower. I'm definitely taking a shower tomorrow. But
Another ant got on me. There's like 3 ants on me. There's 3 ants on me.
that is a flesh thing. I don't really know. Can't tell if this is. I know for a fact it's too small. Might be a baby great white.
Doesn't look like a big bit, right?
It doesn't even look like that. Doesn't even look like a lemon shark tooth. Too small. But might be a small shark. Might be a smaller species.
We're at the end of the video.
No. And this is probably boring, but I am talking about sharks. So most of you guys like sharks, I think.
Comment down below if you guys change my friend's bat's name. And tell me down below what type of shark tooth this is.
We don't. Yeah, if you're a YouTuber who knows about sharks and you're watching this, but you know YouTubers are well, new YouTubers. Actually, that's not going to be our job. We grow up, but I would make videos once in a while on this channel when I found stuff because I am going to be a paleontologist. I need to learn about sharks too, so I'm gonna. There's probably a good chance this is a lemon shark. There's a good chance it's a shark. There's not a good chance it's a great white shark. But I can tell it by it's a shark tooth. I don't know how, but I know the shape of shark tooth. And they go exactly like this. Look at this. So it goes big.
Good boy, Hunter man. Good boy. I'll be right back, okay?
And there's a small one that you can't really see on the camera.
I'll be right back, okay?
Gotta find the camera.
You ate it! You ate the raw meat!
There's somewhere.
It's the same thing, except
probably
it's
see
in a
it,
different
like-
form, and you're not gonna eat this? Really?
There.
You're not gonna eat it? Alright, we're gonna figure out how we're gonna get her to eat this.
So that's gonna be it, guys.
She's gonna eat it! With just lemon juice?
We're gonna upload this
You know
now.
that, right?
Watch it. We see our
I wanna see her
mistakes.
throw up. You just drink this.
Talking.
Straight up, don't eat
What?
it.
How long have we been talking?
Oh, I mean,
We talked for 8 minutes. Probably been talking for about 15 minutes.
open your mouth.
But it's 8 minutes.
Been talking for 15 minutes. Stab Lexi's toe.
Oh no.
Ow, that hurt!
Eat it. Open your mouth. You can't keep
Oh,
making
my
her eat
little
this.
stab in my toes. My foot. So that's technically what this is. Probably there's not a good chance. There's a good chance it's any shark,
Why not?
except a great white shark. I don't know. Might be a baby, but I'm not sure babies get born with teeth. This definitely broke off.
No, just eat it. Just eat it.
This is amazing
How do you
fun.
like it?
That
Do you enjoy it?
that's all the
I didn't even
cleanness
do
we
that. The
can
fridge
get
just opened by itself.
on it.
Alright,
We are
she
gonna
clearly
put this
wants
in a
to
safe
try everything.
place.
And the onion, and this, and that, and this, and that. Can't forget
So
that.
dirty right here. What is this?
Some of these
Web?
things. You have an endless stomach, my God, woman. Did you enjoy yourself? There's really not much to do in this. Wait, I did not mean for you to eat that.
I forgot
Crap.
something. Go figure.
I think might be it. This might be the entire game. Where's the progression?
That's gonna be it for the video.
Do that much of a
So,
boss.
bye.